Located in sunny Tucson, Arizona, Global Solar Energy has been a pioneer in the development and commercialization of flexible, high-efficiency thin-film solar since its founding in 1996. We've been a leader in flexible solar modules since 2003 and have built a reputation of performance and reliability with a range of lightweight solar products, from portable modules to large commercial rooftop arrays. Global Solar's PowerFlex Plus modules are extremely lightweight, do not require roof penetrations or costly racking, and because they're flexible, they can be applied to a wide variety of roof surfaces.
Our team of industry-leading thin-film scientists and engineers continue to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve reliability of our world-class products. Our next generation of PowerFlex Plus modules are a result of that work.
Our state-of-the-art manufacturing plant uses the latest reel-to-reel deposition equipment to produce low-cost, high-performance PowerFlex modules. The manufacturing process starts with a strong but lightweight roll of stainless steel foil, only 30 microns thick. A thin layer of metallic molybdenum is then sputtered onto both sides of the foil to prepare the foil for deposition of the photoactive CIGS layer, using our proprietary co-evaporation process of copper, indium, gallium, and selenium. 2 additional thin layers of transparent film are then added to complete the photovoltaic device and provide electrical connectivity. The total thickness of the deposited layers is less than 3 microns. Next, the thin film is cut, tested, and laser welded to a unique flexible circuit using a patented process to create submodules, or sheets of connected cells. The submodules, supported by a polymer sheet, are made in a continuous process, allowing great flexibility in the length of the final product. Diodes are then added to the submodules to provide electrical fault protection and improve performance when partially shaded. Once cut to the desired length, these submodules are inserted into a layered structure of polymers and adhesives and sealed under heat and high pressure to ensure they can withstand even the most extreme environmental conditions for years. Each PowerFlex Plus module is then tested for safety and efficiency in order to maintain our numerous international certifications and accreditations. Our latest PowerFlex Plus line has an average production efficiency of 15.1% and Cell Champion efficiency of 18.7%. with plans to reach greater than 18% module efficiency over the next few years. Our modules are in use worldwide in a variety of applications. Metal roofs that don't require roof penetrations or racking. Large flat roofs with weight limitations. Curved roofs that will not accommodate conventional flat panel modules. Unconventional locations such as ground-mounted modules for landfills and transportation structures. Even vehicles can benefit from this flexible module technology.
With integrated cell interconnect, or ICI technology, we have increased module efficiency and enabled lower costs. We have developed a flexible design option for manufacturers to easily add solar to their products. We are working with car and truck manufacturers, consumer product companies, and even drone companies to add lightweight solar to their new products.
Our new ICI technology can be used in products ranging from a few watts to hundreds of watts and is limited only by the imagination of product designers and the market. Products already having success in the market include USB chargers, large solar umbrellas, revolutionary solar roofing tiles, and even military applications.
Right now, GSE has more flexible solar installed around the world than all our competitors combined. And with our new ICI technology and increased efficiencies, we are working with more customers on more applications than ever before to drive the solar revolution.
At Global Solar, we see a bright future as we work with customers around the world to use free and clean solar energy to power our world. Global Solar captures that energy by bringing world-class solar products to market. Global Solar Energy, doing our part to create clean energy for a better world.